my county.
The National Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Marshall County, northwestern Woodford County, north central Tazewell County, northeastern Peoria County until 8:45 p.m. At 8:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dunlap, or 12 miles north of Peoria, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
I wonder if this is for
This
Morton.
is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Peoria, Chillicothe, Germantown Hills, Princeville, Rome, Dunlap, Washburn, Spring Bay, Bayview Gardens, Peoria Heights, Cazenovia, Hopewell, Mossville, Alta, Low Point, and Long Ridge.
Well, that's not us. Oh, another one. Well, there goes this on WI.
Until 11 p.m. At 8:03 p.m.
11 p.m.
Reported heavy rain across the Warren.
Oh, it's a flash flood warning.
Flash flooding is already occurring. Some locations that will
Oh,
Neola, Bradford, Elmira, West Jersey, Lafayette, Castleton, and Duncan.
well, there goes another flash flood warning. Well, the first one of the day, technically. Well, there goes 25.
Locations impacted include Peoria, Chillicothe, Dunlap, Washburn, Spring Bay, Bayview Gardens, Peoria Heights, Cazenovia, Hopewell, Mossville, Alta, Low Point, and Long Ridge.
There's a new guy on 25 now.